Hi interns, this is Dr. Thomas, and I wanted to go over how you should complete your timesheets. So, for example, this is an example of a timesheet, and notice that I have a note that says RAU participants are required to work 20 or more hours. So, make sure that you are complying to the number of hours per week that you are supposed to be working. And that should be indicated at the bottom where it says total hours. So if you are in the green, you are good. If you see red though, you're not good. You need to ensure that you are working at least 20 hours per week. So that would mean even if on a Saturday you need to do more research, you need to meet with your mentor or mentee a little more. You need to meet with your team leader some more. You need to work at least 20 hours per week. And be specific about what you're doing each day. So, for example, you may have 2 or 3 tasks that you're completing each day. I need to see those tasks, the description of that task, and the hours performed for that task. Don't be afraid to put the number of hours you are researching online on here, the number of hours you're tutoring on here, or anything related to the program. You should put on here, okay? Anything related to the program. So this was completed by another participant, and notice at the bottom that we have week 1, week 2, week 3. So please don't put dates for week 2 on week 1's timesheet. So you need to click at the bottom where it says week 2, week 1, and so you will see the difference. So we will start each week with Monday. All right, so each Monday we will start another week. So that concludes this short tutorial on how to complete your timesheets. I will see the timesheets. There's no need to download this and send it to me. Since it's shared with you, we shared this information. We already have this information. We already see this information in real time. So there is no need to download it and send it to us. All right. So let's talk about how to convert minutes to an hour, because on the spreadsheet, I want you all to make sure that you convert your minutes to hours. So for example, we understand how a clock works, of course. And I just want to say, for example, we know that we can divide that into 4. Now, for example, if you did something for 15 minutes, all right, that will be equivalent to 0.25. And why is that? Because this is equivalent to 1/4, this is equivalent to 1/4, this is equivalent to 1/4, and likewise that is equivalent to 1/4. But if you don't understand that, all you have to do is divide the number of minutes by 60, since we have 60 minutes in all. So that applies to all of the other more complicated times, right? This is easy. For example, if you work 30 minutes, that's 0.5. If you worked 45 minutes, that's not 0.45, it's 0.75, right? Because that's 3/4 of an hour. All right, so in your calculator, let's say you work 40 minutes. To convert that, all you would do is divide it by 60, and that will give you the actual conversion to hours. So don't put 0.40. That's actually equivalent to approximately 0.67. So you'll put 0.67 on your timesheet, not 0.40. All right. And even with any other weird times, let's say you only work 23 minutes. To convert that again, divide that out of 60 on your calculator, and what would that give you? All right, so I'm looking for something like approximately 0.38. All right, again, that's how you convert your minutes to an hour on your timesheet.